eggshells are? You must be known to the fact that it is the eggshells which protect growing chickens. It is used for protection purpose. It means they are strong. But to which extent is really a less known fact. The eggshells are the outer covering made up of fertilized gamete, which locates on the yolk surface and is surrounded by albumin. Chicken eggshells are seen to be 95 to 97% calcium carbonate crystals and are stabilized by a protein matrix. The structure and composition of eggshells is of very strong nature, because of which they protect chickens inside them. An eggshell protects against microbial contamination, regulation of gas, water change for growing embryo, prevention of desiccation, etc. It allows the chick to get oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Eggshells are also strong enough because of their dome shape. Such dome shape distributes the weight at the top to all parts of eggshells, so weight is balanced rightly. How do we taste food? Taste is actually a chemical sense which is perceived by the receptor cells of the taste buds present on tongue. Our tongue actually is divided into 4 different types of papillae, which are also called bumps. In each papilla, 50 to 250 taste buds exist, and the taste buds consist of 15 to 20 taste receptor cells, which link with nerve fibers to communicate the taste impulse to brain. A few taste buds are also present in throat and on the soft palate at the back of mouth. Our tongue can detect 4 types of basic tastes, that is sweet, sour, bitter and savory. When we intake food, its chemical components get their way to taste buds, and in this way we feel that taste. As much we grow older, we lose our capacity to taste food because taste receptors, which casually renewed after 7 days, start deceasing slowly. How can a cactus live without water? Plants need water to survive, which is an idea we are probably already familiar with. Cactuses are thrifty plants that live in dry regions. They may not get much moisture where they live, but they manage to make the most of what they do get. Cactuses, sometimes also called cacti, are types of plants called succulent and are best known for living in hot, dry places like the desert where they do not get a lot of water. Cactuses do need some water to survive, but can get along with a lot less than most plants. One reason cactuses can get along with less water is because they don't have leaves. So the water a cactus drinks does not evaporate as much as the water other plants drink. Additionally, cactuses have thick stalks which allow them to store water for a long time, and roots that are good at finding and soaking up water even when it is scarce. How is curd formed? We take curd in almost our daily diet, but do you know how it is really done? Actually, it can help you digest your food as well as can give taste to your mouth. To make curd, the solid and liquid part of milk are required to be separated. So after warming the milk, starter cultures are added to it, which contains many types of bacteria, including Streptococcus, Thermophilus and Lactobacillus helveticus. These are called LAB, lacto-acid bacteria, because of the production of lactic acid. Because of such bacteria, acidity level in milk rises and the casein starts curdling. The temperature also matters much in the formation of curd from milk. The higher temperature can convert milk into curd fast after adding vinegar, lime juice or starter culture to it. Such formation of curd is called fermentation because in this process bacteria get fermented in the milk.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share Subscribe to Sahil Book House.